Hi, this is Jeff with New York Sash. We're here at a home in North Utica where this customer was experiencing a lot of problems with their existing wood entry door with side lights. This door was made of wood, the varnish was peeling, it wasn't efficient, all the weather stripping was damaged, and it just got a lot of use over the years and they were due for an upgrade. Let's take a look at the brand new door project that New York Sash has installed. This product is a legacy 20 gauge smooth steel entry door with a lock set and deadbolt for security reasons with a mountain-berry finish. The factory actually applies a build out so the storm door can fit on there properly and work in unison with the entry door. The side light feature is great. It allows for maximum light to come in and the option to look out the door as well. The storm door does come with a lock set and deadbolt, a closure system that would allow for the door to operate properly as well. We were able to help this customer design this door to their liking with our visualizer program that our sales team can help you with. We've designed this from start to finish. Our install crew came, completed this system, plus another storm door and entry door on the back porch in one day. So if your old entry door, storm door is giving you a hard time, New York Sash is here to help. Feel free to stop by our showroom at any time for a free estimate.